In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. Creating a waiting list is a perfect way to manage customer anticipation for products that are temporarily out of stock. It also enables you to capture leads for future marketing efforts. Let's dive right in and make sure you are perfectly equipped to maximize your use of Shopify with this valuable tool in your e-commerce repertoire. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and find your way to the Apps section located on your dashboard. If you're new to Shopify or apps in general, simply think of this as the place to enhance and extend the capabilities of your store. Once there, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. The Shopify App Store is where you'll discover a wide array of solutions for any business need, big or small. In the search bar of this app store, type waitlist or back in stock and hit enter. Here, you will see a variety of applications tailored for setting up waiting lists. Choose one that suits your specific needs. As you browse, take note of user reviews and ratings, as these can offer valuable insights into the app's performance and reliability. Upon selecting an app, click on the Add App button. You'll then be prompted to authorize the app, allowing it to access your store's data and functionality. Don't worry, this is standard procedure whenever installing Shopify apps to ensure a seamless integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the app installation process. Some apps will guide you through an initial setup, while others may require you to explore their settings manually. Once the app is installed, navigate to its interface through the Apps section. Here, you'll begin configuring the waitlist settings to tailor them to your store's workflow. This is where you can designate which products or collections require a waiting list and customize how notifications will be managed. Most apps allow you to modify the messaging that customers receive when they sign up, providing a personalized touch that can enhance customer engagement. Remember to craft messages that align with your brand's voice and let customers know they'll be notified once the product is back in stock. Next, implement the waiting list feature on your product pages. This often involves a simple activation in your app settings, enabling customers to sign up. Depending on your chosen app, you might have additional options, like deciding where the waitlist button appears. Take the time to preview how these changes look on your live site to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly and is appealing to the customer's eye. Finally, test the system to ensure everything runs as expected. Go through the process as if you were a customer to experience the flow firsthand. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's all set to go live. And there you have it. A functional, customer-friendly waiting list on your Shopify store that not only helps you keep track of interested customers but also aids in maintaining sales momentum even when stock is temporarily unavailable. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!